best banana cake because it's quick, simple and full of flavour. When I tell you flavour, this is banana cake flavour, jam packed full of flavour, and it smells, even when you're just slicing the cake, it smells of banana. Hi, welcome to ggmix. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest and tastiest banana cake ever. It's soft, fluffy and jam-packed full of banana flavour. It is a one bowl recipe, so all you have to do is throw everything into your mixing bowl so there's not a lot of washing up. And because you're here at ggmix, I ain't going to leave you with just a banana cake recipe. I'm going to show you how to pimp up your banana cake with a golden cream cheese frosting, salted caramel and caramelized bananas. Trust me, this is going to take your banana cake to the next level. So let's get started. Mash your bananas with a fork so they are all mashy like this. Make sure there are no lumps. We want our cake to be light and fluffy. Now add your mashed bananas, sugar, soft raisin flour, milk, baking powder, butter and eggs into your mixing bowl and beat on a high speed until you have a nice smooth creamy batter like this. I bought a glass loaf dish the other day because my previous one was non-stick and all the non-stick was coming off, so I thought let me try a glass one instead. And I've been pleasantly surprised and nothing has actually stuck on it so far. Now grease your loaf tin with some butter. Make sure all your sides are well coated, then add in your grease-proof paper. Lay your baking paper over your loaf tin so the edges hang over evenly on all sides. Cut diagonally in towards the corners of your tin. Then push down into the base so the baking paper sticks and then push in the sides. And there you have a lovely lined loaf tin. Now add in your batter and smooth down the top with your spatula. Then bake in the oven at 180 for 50 minutes. Whilst our banana cake is baking, let's get onto our delicious golden cream cheese frosting. With a stand mixer or a handheld mixer, whisk your cream cheese until it's soft and fluffy. Then in with your icing sugar. I'm using golden icing sugar to give my frosting a caramelized flavour to complement my salted caramel, but you can use whatever icing sugar you like. And whisk until it's all incorporated. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of your bowl so you aren't left with any lumps. Now in with your double cream and beat until everything thickens. Like this, and you can flip your spatula upside down and it doesn't drop. Now we need to make our salted caramel, but I'm not going to show you how to make salted caramel because I've got a video on how to make that already on my channel, and I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. Make sure you go and have a look because it's super easy and it's super delicious. When your banana cake is cooked, let it cool on a wire rack for 10 minutes in the tin and then take it out and leave it to cool on your wire rack for at least another 10 minutes. When you've been patient for as long as you can, I suggest cutting your cake with a bread knife so you get nice clean cut slices. Look how soft and fluffy it is. Boy, it smells so beautiful. If you've just made the banana cake, go ahead and dig in. If you've made my golden cream cheese frosting and salted caramel, because you want to take your banana cake to the next level, spread your golden cream cheese frosting over your banana cake slice, as much or as little as you want. I suggest as much. Then drizzle over some salted caramel and place either some fresh slices of banana on it, or if you want even more flavour, some caramelized banana slices on top. To caramelize your banana slices, all you do is add your banana slices to a pan with either olive oil or coconut oil and cook until they're caramelized. Flip over and caramelize the other side and you're done. Now it's time for me Dig in, yeah. This is so good. The banana cake is so soft and fluffy and banana-y, and you know the top bit, and when it caramelizes, it's like, you know, it's all like crispy and hard, not hard like rock hard, but it's like got nice caramelization to it. The cream cheese adds like nice coolness and refreshingness to the banana cake, which lifts the whole thing up. And then the caramel is all nice and ooey and gooey, because you know caramel is always nice. Bananas on the top are so good. This is perfect on its own. If you want to take it to the next level, make the extras, because this is so tasty. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share. And if you want to keep up to date with all my latest videos, please subscribe below. So until next time, bye!